Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I haven't done this in quite a while, and it is going to be a thrift flip. I end up going to the thrift store and end up finding 3 different pieces that I thought would be perfect for a thrift flip. The first one I'm going to start off with is a canvas. So instead of doing a wall art on a foam that I've been showing you that it is such a cheap way, a great way to save money and be able to do a wall art that's not heavy and that is at an amazing price, I thought another way is going to the thrift store, getting an old canvas and revamping it. So I'm going to be revamping this canvas. I have an idea in my head. So that's going to be the first thrift flip. Moving on to the second thrift flip, it is this super cute little lamp. I immediately saw it maybe in the guest powder room that I am doing a little makeover for, or even in a kitchen on a counter, in maybe a tray. There's so many ways to decorate with a small lamp, and I've been loving the little lamps. So when I saw this one, I thought it was perfect. It's very narrow, and of course I had to make the lampshade a little bit different, keeping it in my style, and so that was the second thrift flip. Moving on to the last thrift flip, I had found these super cute embroidered napkins. I saw them in a bag and I was like, what is this? And I'm like, I think that they're embroidered. They were so beautiful that I could not pass them up and leave them there. So I thought I would do a DIY with them. So immediately I thought maybe a vest or maybe an accessory. So I am so happy of how it turned out. I'm glad I got them. It was a pack of 8. It gave me enough fabric to create a piece with. I love the pattern. I'm sure that this was hand embroidered and it makes it all the more special. So anyway, without further ado, we are going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. hope you enjoyed these 3 thrift flips. Comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. Moving on to the outfit part, for those of you who love to know what I'm wearing in my intro outro, starting top to bottom, I got this little cute bow. I believe it was at Winners, and I know you don't see my hair up very often, but I decided to do a little updo so that I can show this gorgeous piece that my mother got me for the holidays. It's actually detachable, so you can put it over blazers, you can put it over a simple black top or a dress. It's very holidays, but yet it has a gothic feel to it that I love so much. I can be very gothic-y witchy sometimes. So anyway, I love this piece. And then I paired it with this gorgeous top that my bestie got me for the holidays. I believe she got it at Free People. It's a navy lace top, and it's a bodysuit. And then I am wearing this corset belt that you have seen me wear a gazillion times. It is my go-to. I love this belt. It is like the best belt to cinch in your waist, and it looks so pretty. I had found this thrift shopping, so this was definitely a good find. So yeah, and then the jewelry gift from my mom, it is a Swarovski ring, and then Koakaya stuff, and that is pretty much it. That is the whole outfit. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support. You already know it, but I have to say it every time. If you haven't turned on the notification bell, turn it on so that you can see my videos if you're not seeing them. I know YouTube has been having a lot of changes in the algorithm, and it's been causing a lot of issues for a lot of YouTubers, and it's a little discouraging. I told you already, I spoke about it. The way that you can support me is by definitely turning on the notification. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I love you. Happy New Year. All the best to you and your loved ones. May this year be filled with lots of love, joy, happiness, peace, and much success to everybody. I am excited for this new year. Fresh start. Exactly what my New Year's resolution is. I think I'm going to do a lot less things that I don't feel like doing. And that is a big one. That is, I think, one of the biggest things that I feel has given me anxiety, is doing a lot of things that I feel forced to do and that I don't do because I want to do. So I think I'm going to work on that, on setting my own boundaries and saying that if I don't want to do something, I won't do it. And I think that that's one of my New Year's resolutions. So anyway, Happy New Year. I love you, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.